up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we have a very special guest with us today. I asked you guys on the gram what you guys wanted to see first. Either a husband does my voiceover, or I follow a so-and-so makeup tutorial, and you guys wanted this guy to do my voiceover today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Nicolette. I make weekly videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave and give the video a big thumbs up if you like what you see. And also, if you're new and you don't know, this is my husband Cyrus. As always, my social media links are always down below for you guys, so be sure to check that out. First, this is a different lippy. I had to change the lippy. I was wearing Kylie's lip kit in DOLCE, but I had to change it because that shit was so drying. So he makes me nervous. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching.
Alright, I'm going to stick out my tongue for no reason. Give a middle finger dab for all you guys. Pretend like I'm singing something, I don't know. And I'm going to continue. Okay, here we go. Put something on my face. Dab, 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 dab. Leave my mouth open for no reason. And dab, 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 dab. Brush this thing away. And this is a big brush. I don't know what it's called. Pointing duck lips. Surprise! I look the same. Hello. Now I'm using the brown color. Put it on my eyes. And you gotta make sure you do it in circular motions. And move side to side. Pretend to sing. That is the key. Make sure you play music. Now we're using dark brown. And you gotta make sure you do the light skin face when you're doing this. Move your eyebrows up. Just like that. See? And there you go. You have a light brown and a dark brown on my eyes. Now I gotta go cross-eyed where I have the small brush, roll my eyes in the back of my head like the Undertaker. And continue to dab. Dab, dab, dab. As you can see, I'm using another brush. And there's another brush. But at the end of the day, all these brushes do the exact same thing. So it's alright. So now I'm furrowing, that's the key word, furrowing the powder in the middle so that it blends. You want it to blend. You don't want it to look botchy. You want it to blend. And then you just keep on going. Keep on going. Oh, now I'm going to play with my eyelashes a little bit with this thing called the rolly stick. You just roll it. Hey, look. Oh, ta-da! Magic trick. I bet you guys want to know how I did that, huh? Find out in the next video. Open my mouth some more. I'll draw a design on my face. Oh, yeah. Outline all my wrinkles. And then look, guys. All you gotta do is just put some more powder and then it'll be gone. Make a line down my nose. So this is like painting, but on your face. Alright, there you go, keep going. Pour your eyes in the back of your head. Now this brush is called the silver brush, and it is very important because it pushes the powder up all the way to your eyelids, but not into your eyeballs, which is very key. Alright, I'm going to spread this out right here. Make sure my nose is good. And this is a push-up. Just like the push-up popsicle. We're going to outline where my hairline is. Okay, okay. Put it on my cheeks. Look like a Wakandan. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna continue my circular motion, put my lips together, you know what I'm saying, just like this. Oh, now I'm using this, go back to the small brush, make the bridge of my nose look small. Oh my gosh, I just messed up, what did I forget? How can I forget the circle thing? And if you open up, it's 2 circles. Oh, see, I just showed you guys you don't need a brush. You can use your finger. But I'm going to go back to the black brush. And go back to my finger. And back to the brush. And back to my nose. Looks like I'm messing with my nose a lot. And this is a black square box. And open it up. And I'm going to blow. You got to make sure you blow it. Because if you don't, it's not going to be right. Oh, okay. Go back to my nose. Oh, keep singing that song. that no one can hear. Now this right here, this is very important. You gotta put the two circles together in the black box, and that does something very important for your face. Oh, now I'm using another brown. You didn't think there's that many tones of brown, did you? Now you guys can't forget, you have to do your neck, because you can't do your face and your neck look like a different tone. Oh, another box. See, now I'm getting all these different types of browns from different boxes. Huh, see? Alright, okay. This is brush number 32. And I'm going to keep on just brushing it off. Oh, and now I'm using the small pink circle. And now this is a short fat brush. Now this is key for doing the same exact thing that all the other brushes did. I'm going to keep on going. Okay. See, now this is the flat brush. I don't know exactly what it does, but we're going to use the same color brown that we've been using this whole time. Make sure you got to go back under those eyes, man. You got to take those bags away. Can't be having bags showing. The key is to open your mouth wide open and roll your eyes back. That's how you know you're getting everything done correctly. I get all the cracks and crevices under your eyes. Different box, same brown. Different, what is that? That's like a paintbrush with like 3 bristles on it. Oh, okay. Now we're getting close to the eyebrows. Move your hair before you get makeup in your hair. Okay. Now this is lip gloss. It is brown. And then, oh, duck lips. Hey, I'm done. Guess what, guys?
Alright guys, and that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this guy doing the voiceover. If you guys want to see more videos with him in it, then give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!